Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to perform commenting on attachments in Asana tasks, a must-know feature for seamless team collaboration in 2025. Let's jump in. Step 1. Open up your Asana task. Now, this must be a task that already has an attachment you want to comment on. This is important because it's within these pre-existing attachments that we'll be leaving our comments. Next up, locate the desired attachment. It's typically found under the Files section of your task. The reason we do this is to make sure we're commenting on the right document or image, ensuring our comments are relevant and effective. Now that we've done that, hover over your chosen attachment. You should see a speech bubble icon appear. Click on it. This helps us because it opens up the comment section specifically for this attachment. Let me explain why this matters. Commenting directly on attachments lets you pinpoint your feedback and makes it easier for your teammates to understand exactly what you're referring to. Moving on to step 4, type your comment in the text box that appears. Make sure your comment is clear and concise. This step is integral to the process because it allows you to provide valuable input on the attachment, contributing to the overall progress of the task. Finally, hit the post button to share your comment. This is the final step in making your viewpoint known and contributes to the collaborative spirit that Asana encourages. Now you're all set to comment on attachments in Asana tasks. It's a simple yet powerful way to streamline communication and collaboration within your team. That's it for now. You've learned how to perform commenting on attachments in Asana tasks, a vital skill in navigating the digital workspace of 2025. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy collaborating.